This is Umesh and welcome to our channel CNC Programming and Die Mode. And today we are going to practice the rule command, and we will find this in insert and mass surface and rule. Rule command is not showing here. It is by default is hidden in Annex 12. So you can go on this search bar finder, command finder, and type rule, or you can see this is rule command, insert mash rule, currently hidden, or you can use this from this rule command, or we have one more option. Just right click over this and go to customize and type here rule. Now I will drag and drop this or close it. I don't want this assembly, so assembly I will remove. For this rule command I need some section command, some section, and one second section, or you can say second guide. So for this I will draw a sketch, and the sketch may be open or close, both this will work. So first I will take a hexagon. Now just finish this and create one more datum plane, and this datum plane must be offset from the first one, and specify any distance 55, and this time I am creating two plane, and go to this new plane and I will draw a circle. Now finish this, and again on this third plane I will create one more sketch. Now I want to use rule command and I want to join this, so just click over the rule and now select the curve, starting curve. My starting curve is this, and second curve is this, unable to create. So now just preserve shape and go to the alignment, and I will choose an option arc length. No, it is not possible here. And if I want to create a sheet, gap in the string or multiple loop. Okay, so now in these two sketch I have a one problem. In first sketch here I have a hexagon plus 1 point. I have 1 point at the center of this hexagon, so it is showing this gap in a string. So just cancel this, or you can reset this. Now I will change this infer curve to connected curve or single curve, whatever you want. So I will choose this first, second, third, fourth line, fifth line, and the last line. Okay, now click this, and here is my second curve. Okay, preserve shape, you can preserve it, or if you want to change the origin may be changed. Here it is, and reverse the direction. So this is how we use this rule command, and here is a one condition. If you want to use the rule command, it will work only for two sketches. If I want to add one more curve, that one, so no option is available here. Or if you select this it will not select, and by this it is not possible. Just remove this. Now I want to align this some more accurately, so just go and change this option to alignment to point. Now I will rotate it, and now I will drag the point to align the position of this point. Here we are. So friends, hope you understand this, how to use this rule command and where you will find this command, and it will work only for two sketches, and it is a little bit easier than through match curve through curve. Now just double click over the solid body, and in alignment I have this angle option, and with the help of this angle you can directly align your sketch. Now axis, just specify the vector for axis on the center point. Center point is this my, and click OK. But you can see the edges are not highlighted, and if I want to fillet these edges, just click and click over the edge. The edge will not be highlighted. Okay, if you will use this method without preserve shape, the edges will not preserve, and if you want to preserve your edges, just go and change it to by point and maintain the orientation and click OK. And after that, if you want to fillet, you want to apply the fillet over the edges and click. So you can, it may be possible just if you use by point method, alignment point method. So hope you understand this. Thank you for watching and keep watching.